Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the fascinating world of English vocabulary. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me today. Our word of the day is automatic. It's a B2 level adjective, and it means working by itself. So, what exactly does automatic mean? Well, when we say something is automatic, we mean it operates or happens without direct human control or intervention. Think about a toaster. Once you push the lever, it pops the toast up after a certain time. That's an automatic function. Now, let's explore some synonyms for automatic. We can say something is self-acting. For example, the door is self-acting, so it will open when you approach. Or perhaps mechanical, as in, the car has a mechanical locking system. Or even involuntary. We could say, breathing is an involuntary action for most people. Let's turn to antonyms. What words would mean the opposite of automatic? Consider manual. For instance, the old car had a manual transmission. Or hand-operated, as in, the window is hand-operated and not electric. Or even deliberate. For example, his response was deliberate, not automatic. How might we use automatic in everyday life? Well, if you have a coffee maker that starts at 6 a.m. every morning, you'd call that an automatic coffee maker. You might say to someone it's automatic, meaning you do something without thinking. You could hear someone say, my payments are automatic, so I don't have to worry. Here are some more example sentences. The lights in this building are on an automatic timer. She had an automatic reaction when she saw the accident. He made an automatic choice without thinking it through. The system provides an automatic update each month. The payment was made through automatic transfer from my bank. So, in summary, automatic means something that works by itself, without needing a person to control it directly. We learned the synonyms self-acting, mechanical, and involuntary, and the antonyms manual, hand-operated, and deliberate. We also looked at several ways you might hear or use the word in everyday situations. That's all for today's exploration of the word automatic. I hope you found it helpful and interesting. Thank you so much for joining me on Hello Word. Remember to subscribe to our podcast and please leave a review, as your support helps others find the show. We're always trying to grow. And now I want to hear from you. Try to create your own sentence using the word automatic and share it as a comment under the video. Until next time, keep exploring the wonderful world of words.